Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back with the 17th workout video, and I'm gonna be doing my sit-ups. This is basically the second video of the sit-ups, but it's the 17th workout video. But anyway, yeah, welcome back. I'm glad y'all here. Like and subscribe. And like I said, I'm gonna keep on staying consistent and down to the soul of what I'm doing. So like I said, we don't want to have those beer bellies, you know what I'm saying? And this workout set will be about your abs, and you know, and how the way that I'm doing them, you'll feel the burn like in that by the 10th, 8th sit up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and that's how you know it's working and your muscles is rebuilding and recuperating. So let's get into it. Let's go. So here we go. Sit this way. Yeah, sit this way. Yeah, that's cool. So y'all ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there we go with the sit-up. And like I said, just take your time, whatever your limit is, whatever your goal, you know, reach it and keep it going. And when that's get smoother for you, like basically easy, that it be no piece of cake, like you can just hit, excuse me, have to burp. You can hit 20 push-ups, 25 push-ups, 100 push-ups, easy slate, just straight, bust them down, boost it up. If you can do the sit-ups 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 non-stop till you hit that 100, that 50, boost it up. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm gonna keep on coming. Y'all keep on subscribing, keep on liking, and I appreciate it, really do appreciate it. And trying to reach that 100K subscribers, man. And y'all have a good one.